from the tree, man. It's just the tree. So we got the real cameras over here. We're here in Puerto Vallarta. We're heading up a little bit outside the city to go to a special place and meet some special animals. Gonna meet up with a friend here in a minute. We're gonna take that journey together. I don't know where I'm supposed to find her. I think she's somewhere close by. I don't see her right here. Humidity's high out here. Okay, I think I see her already. She's pretty timely. If you're off by, you know, you set a time, she gonna be there at that time. Where I'm like a few minutes late, like 5 minutes, something like that. If I wanted to cross to the crosswalk, I'd have to walk down there and cross, and I could avoid this. You know how people like to do, like to go directly. Here in Puerto Vallarta, if you cross the streets, there is a lot of these streets like that where you gotta cross multiple streets to get to one direction. You can't just run across the whole thing because there's different traffic flow situations going on. So we're here at the bus stop now, and we're gonna head to our place. And we're meeting up with Alicia, and we're gonna take this journey together. First part, we're on the city bus to downtown area. So it's like Zona Romantico. Today's Friday, so it's still a work day. Buses are pretty packed with people. So, yeah, bus.
It was 10 pesos each.
10 pesos each, so 20 pesos. $1 for the both of us. Pretty good. So, the place we need to go is
In Street Aguacate and Venustiano Carranza.
And that's where we catch the bus to actually go to the sanctuary. This time? Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, that's it. Let me take that water bottle from you. We're off the bus. Now we gotta find our, we gotta walk the rest of the way, or?
No, I think we took
a different route? Or the wrong bus?
the wrong bus.
Oh, yeah.
This only says Centro.
Okay.
And I think it has to say Malecón.
Malecón, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're
damn.
here.
How much space does that look like?
Like
26 minutes walking. All right, the journey continues. We always have some issues, but you know, work through, and we're gonna work through this one. So the deal is we want to be at the bird sanctuary at 10 o'clock, by 10 o'clock. They got a bird release there, and we're gonna go try to check it out. Now, what time do we have now? It's
It's 8.
8. Yeah, hopefully we make it there. 5 minutes? Oh, you running 5 minutes ahead?
Yeah.
That's why you on time all the time. Okay, I get it now.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna try to make it there. If push comes to shove, we might have to just get a taxi or hire a guy and negate all of this other stuff. We'll see. Journey continues. Yeah? Okay. You paid already? Or? Alright, so this is our second bus we're getting on here. And that's the, how do you say that? How do you pronounce it?
El Tuito.
El Tuito. Okay. So that's the name of the bus you need to be on the lookout for. We're going to get on that one. And this should be, they said, a 45-minute ride. And it should cost, we think, between 25 and 30 pesos a piece. So we'll see when we get on it. Yeah, we'll see.
And it's in the corners of Aguacate and Venustiano Carranza.
we'll take you along for the ride. We'll see how the bus ride goes, all right? We'll have some chat on there. Yeah, this is a bus you pay when you actually get off. Oh, man. Kind of weird seats. Oh, this seat is wet. Right, because it's close to the window. It is
Boca de Tomatlan.
Boca de Tomatlan. Kind of a bumpy ride, like you twist around, going up mountain roads, and you know, stuff like that. But we gonna get there. We getting there. Y'all know me. I still got my coffee in hand. It's getting a little messy, but I still got the grip on. I still got that kung fu grip. Hell yeah. Yeah, so since it's rainy season now, you said it should be, well, we're in rainy season now, right? Start of rainy season. Yeah. But once rainy season gets going full speed, that whole gouge down there be full of water. And yeah, has a different view, a different scene, so to speak, once that gets going. Different sounds, yeah.
You got it. I thought we were going to be here like a little bit later, like 20:25 or something.
9:15 on the dot.
15.
Cool. All right, so we made it on time, right when we thought we would, 9:15. The guy was right. He said it would take 45 minutes. Took 45 minutes. After the 45-minute bus ride, we arrived. And we're gonna show you the birds release, show you the garden, and show you just some of the things you can do here in Puerto Vallarta. And we got about, how long do we have to wait before the birds release? About another 30 minutes or so?
Maybe, because they are arriving here at 10.
Okay.
So we have to wait until 10, and then I think maybe they will explain why they are releasing them. I mean, like an introduction.
Already seeing some birds out here. We got the hummingbirds was here before. We got some butterflies. Let's see.
Here.
Okay, gotcha. Look at that one. Look at that guy.
Gracias.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Veníamos para la liberación del...
¿De las aves?
Sí.
Ok, la entrada son 200 pesos por persona.
Okay, I got you. Got the sticker right there. All right, let me stick this one here.
¿Ese nos lo llevamos o...?
Es para ustedes.
Ok, gracias.
What's the deal with that?
Para venir una vez más gratis.
Ay, con este ticket. Ah, ok.
Okay.
Yeah, the ticket is to come again in 7 days if you want.
Oh, okay.
One more time.
Yeah.
And this is the map.
That's pretty cool.
So
we
it's
got the
pretty
map
big.
here.
I didn't know this was this big, but yeah.
So we gotta, let's take a look at it right
What?
quick.
Hiking Jaguar? Maybe here's the place, right? Hiking Guacamaya.
So we got some hiking to do.
A lot of hiking.
We're gonna get our exercise in today for sure.
Ah, ok, seguimos el camino derecho, ¿no?
12 minutos llegan aquí.
Ah, ok,
Aquí
perfecto.
va a ser la liberación de...
Ah, ok. Gracias. Gracias. So it's straight.
All these different types of flowers. I mean, we came for the birds, but they got some nice flowers and other stuff going on here as well. Look at it. It's like a big onyx rock.
Look at that.
Add a little flair to it.
Yeah.
This guy. Is this a, what kind of fruit that is?
I don't know. It looks like maybe a pomegranate.
Pomegranate, okay. Good morning.
Buenos
Buenos
dias.
dias.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
Do you think there's going to be some frogs?
Huh?
There are fishes.
Yeah, there's a koi fish, I think they call them.
Yeah, that's the name.
These big, huge lily pads. Yeah, so this area is pretty nice. We got here early, so there's like barely anybody here. So continue walking. The bird sanctuary should be up there, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Sorry, I was reading that.
Nice. All right, this is a restaurant they have in here. Might have to try this out a little bit later because they're just setting up now, but looks like a pretty dope area. Got nice scenery out here.
Some birds.
Some birds. Oh, word.
Yeah, a yellow and blue one right there. Well,
Where?
the yellow just
Oh yeah, I
left.
see him right there. Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know if we can get him.
Save them for the hummingbirds. For the hummingbirds.
Look at all the pollen.
Yeah. So they gave all that to all the women, I guess. So we got the real cameras over here doing their thing. We gotta go on over the real equipment. IBM.
Hoy estamos emocionados porque somos testigos de la liberación de ejemplares de periquitos frente naranja. Asimismo también al señor Francisco Pérez del santuario Las Guacamayas, a la señorita Ana Nuño, representante del Jardín Botánico, y a David Tapia en representación de Profepa.
Well, Last Child in the Woods, and there's a very special paragraph that really hit me. It says, progress does not have to be pretended to be worthwhile. Progress can also be measured by our interaction with nature and its preservation. Can we teach children to look at a flower and see all the things it represents? Beauty, the health of an ecosystem, and the potential for healing? Thank you to everyone who are working always so hard to reconnect humanity with the natural world. Muchísimas gracias por su apoyo a todos. Gracias.
Yo sí, yo también. Varios. But now you eat.
All right, we got a full house now. After that, so I'm already seeing some birds up there. Alright, I don't know. Alright, so we're heading over to the area now. We're gonna have to remain quiet once we get to the spot where all the birds are, and we'll watch the release from there. But the deal is we gotta stay quiet. But yeah, check out the scenes as we walk. So it was really important to come out and see something like this. You know, these birds were actually captive and rescued from an illegal trader just a month ago. So they were rescued just a month ago, and today was their release date. It takes a whole process to get the birds ready to do all that. And her aunt was a part of the process.
Yeah.
And today was their freedom day, and we watched them get their freedom back today. The tree, man. It's just the tree. I knew it was there.
Did you hide it like another hat?
Oh yeah.
I thought it was just another decoration. Where did you get that?
Oh, you didn't see it. You didn't see the process happening. It's a chill area to just hang out. Like you got plenty of shade, and just look at what's back there.
And it was somewhere then.
All right, so we're gonna continue walking through. So none of this would have been possible without Alicia's help. So she told us about the event. She figured out how to get here. So make sure you guys give a good big thanks to her. I want to give a good big thanks to you for helping me out.
You're welcome, and thank you. Thank you too for coming here and listening to everything. And just remember, animals don't belong in cages.
Animals do not belong in cages. We spent the day at the Botanical Gardens, Puerto Vallarta, and I want to thank you for staying tuned, checking out the video. And if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share the video. You don't want to be caged up. Think about it.